Hey guys, this is Jacques from MakuluLinux making video number 2. So as you can see, the memory usage on this is around about 240, 242, 243 megabytes. It's jumping up and down because I just rebooted and things are opening up. Anyway, the system resource usage monitor app also uses a couple of megabytes, so if you actually take that off, you will be sitting at about 240 megs of RAM. Now I've showed off in the last video, I've pretty much showed all the effects I was able to port from the other editions to LXDE. It's looking very snazzy, very pretty. Look at this theme. I mean, this doesn't even look like LXDE. This looks like some kind of modern desktop KDE or you know, whatever. So yeah, so I showed off all of that. What I didn't show you was you know, something that annoys me with LXDE is the fact that I can't seem to find any kind of central control center or anything. Everything's just spread all over the show, so if I want to go and change the look and feel or change a theme, I have to go into the menu, go find the icon. You know, the same goes for network settings or whatever. So I kind of started working on something that of my own, and I've come up with this. This is the centralized Makulu Center, control center. And inside here you will pretty much find just about almost anything to sort of do all the back-end stuff. So you want to change appearance, you would just click appearance inside the control center and it would bring up your LX appearance. You want to change backgrounds, just click inside, click on backgrounds, and so the list goes on. Border themes, date and time is in here. Disk management, display, drivers, firewall, keyboard and mouse is in here. Onboard keyboard is here. Package managers here. Partition drives is here. Password and keys, power manager, printers, region and language, screensavers, sharing options. I've even got a sound. Even got sound control configures, input devices configuration. So sound manager, Windows settings that would obviously link to Compass, because since Compass is the default Windows manager, so Windows settings would automatically open Compass with all its settings. System monitor, system info, startup applications, so you can set your startup applications. I've even got user management here. So you can pretty much change all your user settings, add users, delete users, change details on the user's advanced settings, manage groups. Advanced settings will take you to privileges, user privileges, contact information, advanced. So it's actually quite a nice little control center, pretty much on par with any other control center out there. I'm not done with it yet, but this is pretty snazzy. You know, you can kind of centralize. If you want to open something, you just open up the control center and just, you know, find your icon. It's not hidden. It's nice and bold. You know, you've even got a mouse over. I haven't decided where to put the icon yet, so I kind of just put it next to the start menu for now, just quick access. But yeah, so this is still very early. I'd even say like maybe alpha 1 kind of thing, so there's a lot changing at the moment. For the time being, I'm kind of just finding my feet here and seeing what's needed, and if something's needed, add it. So yeah, this little control center took me a couple of hours to make, but yeah, so just let me know what you guys think. This is Jacques from MakuluLinux working on my first LXDE version. I'm very excited about this version. I've never worked on LXDE before. I mean, I've played around with it but never developed on it before. So yeah, this is Jacques.